Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily restore exposure settings to default on your ELGATO Facecam Pro. So first, what you guys need to do is open up Camera Hub, which is an app especially designed for the ELGATO cameras. Now go to Camera, go to Device, and make sure that the input is selected as ELGATO Facecam Pro. Here, now scroll down until you see exposure. Here you need to hit this little arrow, as you guys can see, and now it's back to default. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.